General Metin Gurak, Chief of General Staff, Turkish Armed Forces, called on Air Chief Marshal Zahir Ahmed Babar Sidhu, Chief of the Air Staff, Pakistan Air Force, during his visit to Air Headquarters, Islamabad today. The meeting covered a wide array of matters related to geostrategic situation, progress of current joint ventures, and collaboration in the aviation industry. Both the dignitaries discussed various areas of shared interest aimed at bolstering professional cooperation in the realm of modern warfare technologies and training. During the meeting, Chief of the Air Staff shared his vision of making PF a next-generation Air Force through the induction of state-of-the-art technologies, revitalization of infrastructure, and revamping of the training setup in line with the dictates of modern warfare. The Air Chief highlighted that both the brotherly countries enjoy long-standing religious and historic ties, which are manifested through unprecedented strategic partnership. He reassured General Metin Gurak of Pakistan Air Force's unwavering commitment to work together for the fortification of technological framework of both the Air Forces. The Air Chief further highlighted the active role played by PF pilots in nursery to tactical level training of Turkish air crew, and reiterated his commitment to provide training and capacity building assistance to the Turkish Air Force. General Metin Gurak acknowledged the impressive progress made by Pakistan Air Force in developing a robust indigenous aviation industry, and reiterated his resolve to further enhance the existing ties between the two brotherly countries. The visiting dignitary expressed his desire to consolidate the existing mutual industrial collaboration with National Aerospace Science and Technology Park in order to accrue maximum benefits for both the countries. Both the commanders also agreed to explore further areas of cooperation through bilateral and multilateral military exercises, with special focus on collaboration in the technology-based future programs. During his visit, Chief of General Staff, Turkish Armed Forces, also visited various installations and technological infrastructure established at Air Headquarters, Islamabad, including National ISR and Integrated Air Operations Center and PF Cyber Command. The visit of Chief of General Staff, Turkish Armed Forces, to Air Headquarters, Islamabad signifies a resolute commitment of the two brotherly countries to reinforce their strategic partnership, fostering collaboration and promoting robust relations between air forces of the two countries.